Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Say It Right episode 1.0. So, in the series of Say It Right, we're going to be learning the right way to pronounce certain words in English. It is very important you need to know that as a Nigerian, whether you're a student or not, you should understand that Nigerians speak the British English, and of course, you need to learn to pronounce words the way it is pronounced in British English. So today we are starting the first episode and we are going to be looking at the correct pronunciation for 5 words. Okay, so let's begin starting with number 1. Now, this is the name of some medical professions in healthcare. All right, most persons pronounce this as nurse, but this is not the correct pronunciation. So, how do you pronounce Nurse? It is pronounced as nurse in the British English. Nurse. N, then a long S sound, then the S. So, nurse. Or just to put it in a simplified form for everybody, just see it as the spelling N-E-S. Nurse. Alright? So you have to drop the R. You don't have to stretch it to look like nurse. No, that's not needed. It's not necessary. It is a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is just nurse. Number 2, Schedule. So this is a pronunciation that has, been like a problem for a lot of persons. All right. So how do you pronounce this word? Well, some persons say schedule, others say schedule, but then what is the correct pronunciation in British English? Well, the correct pronunciation is schedule. All right, which is just like saying shed and you put together. Okay, so that's schedule, not schedule. Schedule is the pronunciation in American English, but in British English, it is what? Schedule. Now you have HURT. Many persons pronounce this as hot, but it is not actually hot. All right, you don't hurt people's feelings. Hot is a wrong pronunciation. Then what is the correct pronunciation? It is actually pronounced as het. H, then a long S sound, then T. Het. Het. That's it. Okay, just see it as HET and then you say het. That is the correct pronunciation. All right, and then you have CURSE. So what is the correct pronunciation for this word? Many people call it curse. All right, curse as in insult. There is another synonym for insult, which is what many persons call curse. But is that the correct pronunciation? No, it is not. What then is the correct pronunciation? This is correctly pronounced as kiss. That is the correct pronunciation. K, then a long S sound, then S. Kiss. Or you can just see it as KES. Kiss. Alright. And then also you have BURST, which many persons call what? Bust. Okay. So bust is a wrong pronunciation. Alright. So how then do you pronounce this? It is best. B, then a long S sound, then ST. It's just like saying best. Alright, BEST. Okay, so this is the correct pronunciation for these words. Alright, so that will be all for this episode of Say It Right. So I will see you in the next episode. Please, if you have not followed this channel, do well to give us a subscribe. Alright, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell just in case we upload another video so you get notified. Alright, so for now, do have a blessed day.